Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So for today's video, I'm gonna teach you how to book UK practical driving test. So first head over to gov.uk, then in the search bar, just type in book, and here you should see the book practical driving test. So just click on it. Now from the search results, click on book your driving test, and this will redirect you to this page. Here is where you can start your test online. But before you start your test, you're going to need to gather these things with you. First is your UK driving license number. You also need your credit or debit card. You also need your driving instructor's personal reference number. And here you can also check the cost of your driving test before you proceed. And for you to be eligible for the test, you must have lived in England, Wales, or Scotland for at least 185 days in the last 12 months before the day you take your test. Knowing all that, you can now start your test online. Just click on the Start Now button. Now, from there, all you have to do is follow all the on screen prompts and answer the question and basically just take your test. Now, if you're encountering problems in booking your test online, from here just scroll down until you get to this Get Help Booking Your Test section. You can contact the VSA to get help booking your test. So you can reach out to them by sending them an email to this email address, or you can also contact their hotline, and they are available from Monday to Friday, 8 a.m. to 4 p.m. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video, and I'll see you again on the next one. Bye!